This week we have 3 more parts of speech to cover, and then we'll do a review the following week and have a big 8 parts of speech assessment, and then you will also have your progress monitoring for grammar. But this week we're going to focus on the last 3 that we have. So the first one is conjunctions. So let's begin. All right, a conjunction is pretty much a Lego piece. So a conjunction connects things together. It connects words, it connects sentences. So its function or definition is that it's a connector. Okay, so I don't know if you've ever played with Legos whenever you were younger, or maybe you still build with Legos. I remember my kids had this huge tub full, and when you dumped it out, it kind of looked like this picture over here to the left, and just every little piece everywhere. And we would just build crazy things, connecting things. They would try to build a bridge, but then if you don't have that connector that connects the one side to the other, it doesn't stabilize it and it falls over when they would try to drive their Matchbox cars on it. And that's pretty much what conjunctions do. They are that connecting piece that gives your sentence stability and helps it to sound better, whether you have a comma series, whether you are combining 2 sentences together. So let me give you a few examples on what that looks like. All right, so when we use a conjunction, there's going to be, most of the time there's going to be a fanboy. And that's this group of words, these words right here. Fanboy stands for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are our conjunctions. These are the most popular and the easiest ones to find, are coordinating conjunctions, because they coordinate things that relate to each other. So let's take a look. So you have Sally and Jamie went for a walk in the park. See, so this fanboy, this conjunction, this Lego piece is telling me that Sally went with Jamie on a walk in the park. So we need that in the middle there to show that they both go together. My favorite fruits are strawberries, comma, peaches, comma, and bananas. So here we have a comma series. We have a list. And if you notice, here's our and, our conjunction to show, okay, these things, and wait, we got one more. Then you have the next sentence. He couldn't decide if he should eat dinner or if he should finish his homework first. So in the first 2 sentences with Sally, Jamie, and with the fruits, those are just connecting words. Now in this sentence right here, the or, notice it is with a comma. This is showing 2 sentences being put together, 2 complete sentences. So he couldn't decide if he should eat dinner is sentence number 1. If he should finish his homework, or if he should finish his homework first. This is sentence number 2. So we put those together with our conjunction, but it also must have the comma. So that Lego piece is connecting 2 sentences together. And then one more sentence. I like peppermints, comma, but I do not like chocolate and peppermint together. Oh, so this sentence has 2 conjunctions in it. This first one is connecting I like peppermints. That's one sentence, one complete idea. I do not like chocolate and peppermint together. That's my second idea. So, but has to have a comma with it whenever it is connecting 2 sentences. When you're just connecting 2 words, you don't need the comma with like Sally and Jamie. But when you have 2 complete sentences and you're using that conjunction, you must have the comma with it as well. And then if you notice, I talked about chocolate and peppermint. There's no comma there. It's just using that conjunction. But conjunctions, you use them all the time because you have to connect things. When you're talking about more than one thing together, we need to connect them, and that's what conjunctions are for. Make sure that you add the fanboys to your notes with what a conjunction does, because you do need to be able to recognize them. I separated the 3 parts of speech this week into their own simple little video and then their own IXL practices. So you will need to log in to Schoology, to your IXL, and the assignments will be posted on the right-hand side, and there will also be a list for you. Good luck, guys, and have a great week.